let's do a deluxe studio room tour at Disney's Hilton Head Island Resort. We are staying in Building 11, which is the Live Oak Lodge. It has parking beneath it and an elevator. I can't say that for all of these buildings here at Disney's Hilton Head Island Resort. All right, so here we are at the front door, and as you come in, if you look over here, the first thing you'll see is a nice kitchenette with a microwave and a coffee maker, toaster, stainless steel sink, and a small refrigerator. The room comes with enough coffee to make 2 pots of regular coffee and 1 pot of decaf. And there's also some Coffee Mate and sugar and stirs. Under the cabinet there's storage with 2 waste paper baskets, a scouring pad, some dish soap, and some extra paper towels. There's more paper towels here. And right here in this drawer you have plasticware and a can opener, and all the rest of the cabinets, or nearly all the rest of them, are empty, so you can put your own things in them. This last one here has some plastic cups and paper plates. So there is the kitchenette. As we continue into the room past the kitchenette, there's a beautiful artwork here of someone swinging on a rope swing under a live oak on a marsh, which is, I don't know about the rope swing, but everything else is things that you would see right here. Over here is a closed door, locked door with climate control and your return air. And over here is the closet. In here you'll find an extra pillow and blanket and an extra pillow, an ironing board, lots of nice wooden hangers to hang your clothing on, and a vacuum cleaner and another device to clean your floors. And over here is a wall safe, very small, and a fire extinguisher. This is the kind of wall safe that has a key. To the left of the closet is the restroom area. It has a pedestal sink and a nice mirror. Here's some Disney personal hygiene products, body lotion and facial soap. Some nicely detailed towels. There's storage above the commode with extra toilet paper, a blow dryer, and some Kleenex. Over here some nice art with fly fishing lures, which is really cool. And here's some more nicely laid out towels. There's one missing because somebody in our party has already had a shower. Over here's the shower. You've got some Disney body wash, conditioner, and shampoo. These were covered for COVID-19, but like I say, somebody's already had a shower in here, and so that has been removed. And then that shower got done about 30 minutes ago, and it's still dripping, so that's kind of interesting. There is a string that goes across to hang bathing suits or whatever you need to dry. There's also a towel holder here and a full-length mirror. Hello. Okay, as you proceed through the room past the bathroom, you come into the main part of the room, and here is a full-size bed with a nice kind of a wooden theme, which is kind of cool. And the lights all have kind of a wooden theme as well. This door over here goes to a lock-off. Like I say, this is a deluxe studio, so this probably goes to a 1-bedroom. And if you get a 2-bedroom, you'd get the whole 1-bedroom on the other side of that door, plus this whole room. Here's a device to put your suitcase on, a waste paper basket. I thought it was interesting when we turned on the TV, they're going to simulcast the fireworks from Magic Kingdom down in Florida. We're in South Carolina. And you can see that the remote controls for the DVD player, Blu-ray player, and the television are bagged. And there's plenty of drawers here, 4 drawers, all that same size in that cabinet. Moving over this way, you have a really beautiful table. I love the bottom. Heather was talking about how she liked the bottom too. And 2 nicely upholstered chairs and some more coastal type artwork. And this light has the wooden theme in it as well. As we look the other way, this couch love seat is actually a pull-out sleeper couch, and that's what that extra bedding in the closet is for. So if you have an extra person that's sleeping there, or 2 extra people, their bedding is in the closet. Here, this sconce continues with the wooden theme. This is the Live Oak Lodge part of, I don't know if all the rooms are this way or just the ones in the Live Oak Lodge. And there's a wooden theme around the mirror as well. Over here's a nightstand. I'm not seeing any USB ports in this room like some of the more modern, newer, updated DVC rooms have. I'm not seeing any here. This nightstand has some drawers and a storage compartment and a phone. Let's talk about outlets. There's 2 outlets here beside the bed. The reason I'm talking about them is I'm not seeing a whole lot of outlets. Just those 2. One more that is available down behind the nightstand. Let's see if there's one over here. Yes, there is one beside the couch, pull-out sofa, and I bet there's one over here by the table. Yes, just one. So not a whole lot, especially in today's, this day and age where you have so many devices to charge. Oh, here's another free outlet under the television. But I believe that's about it. I guess you could say this one over here, I'm not sure how useful it's going to be, kind of over in the side of the room. I just finished making that clip about there's no USB chargers in here, and Heather pointed out this device on the nightstand which has 6 USB charging points on it. So I stand corrected. The central heat and air is controlled by a digital thermostat. Okay, this room is on the 2nd floor and the hotel lobby is actually directly below us. And look at this huge, huge balcony. I mean, it's huge. All of I didn't want our luggage to clutter up the room, and we carry quite a bit of luggage. Oh my goodness, look at all the camera bags and suitcases. But this balcony is so big that it doesn't even feel filled up. They say that this is a marsh view, but to me it's a neighboring hotel view. And to me, those hotels have the better view because they get to look over here and see the beautiful Disney Hilton Head Island Resort, and we have to look over there and see them. But if you look to the left, you can see the marsh from here, which is kind of nice. The balcony is shared. There are these louvered, you can stick your finger through to the other side. There's a louvered blockade to the other balconies beside you. And look, rocking chairs made of wood, and a table and 4 chairs made of wood out here on the porch. That's really, really cool. And there's some nice weather-sealed power outlets out here as well. So I think one of my favorite features of this room is this amazing balcony. Okay, so we are currently on the 2nd floor looking down at the level where you go in and check in. I believe this person right here has just checked in. That's the parking where you can park just temporarily. And then if you're staying here in building 11, you just drive under the building. And this elevator goes right down to the parking lot, so it's easy to get your stuff up here. And our room, 1126, is over here on the other side. Look at these vintage signs. Our room's right over here. Thought I'd show you this view of the marsh. Look at those beautiful live oaks and all that Spanish moss. But I believe, if I haven't gotten lost, the entrance to our room, 1126. Thanks for watching this deluxe studio room tour of room 1126 here at the Live Oak Lodge at Disney's Hilton Head Island Resort in Hilton Head, South Carolina.